As pretty much everybody predicted, Kevin McCarthy surrendered. The speaker chose Memorial Day Sunday, when voters are maximally distracted, honoring our veterans and enjoying time with their family and friends in the real world, to announce he did exactly what we all knew he would do. He folded on the debt ceiling. Thing is, this was not a normal surrender, like you fought hard but just couldn't pull it off. No, this was a complete and total surrender, the kind where you look around for extra things to give the Vikings as they carry off your children. Maybe you bake them a pie for the long trip back to Norway. Now, according to the Wall Street Journal, Kevin got roughly nothing in return for at least $4 trillion in new debt, possibly much more debt, since Kevin very helpfully suspended the debt ceiling until, get this, after the 2024 election. Now, given how fast Biden's handlers run through trillions, they will gobble that right up, at which point it is a straight shot to a national debt of $40 trillion. Last week, I kept predicting that McCarthy would slow the runaway train from 80 miles an hour to 79.8, while quietly greenlighting it to go back up to 90. In fact, he didn't slow it at all. He just greenlighted it to 100. In gory detail, non-military discretionary spending, which is roughly a third of the $6 trillion budget, that's 1/9, is, quote, flat for a single year and gets an alleged 1% cap for another year. Both of which will, going by past form, be gamed into oblivion by emergency bills, adjustments, and exemptions. Military spending naturally got a 3% boost to $886 billion, so no foreign country is left behind. I had predicted the GOP would beg for shiny crumbs to distract the voters back home who actually expected them to do something, and they delivered, by gum, with two crumbs. First was a tiny cut to the IRS, which had just gotten $80 billion to audit the middle class. Note that just 2% of audits are actually on people who make over $1 million. The other 98% are for us. Based Congressman Dan Bishop summed it up as, quote, there will be 85,260 more IRS agents rather than 87,000 to eat you alive. Big win. The second crumb, which Kevin was so proud of it dominated his surrender tweet, raised food stamp work requirements from age 49, where they've been for years, to age 54. Kevin trumpeted this as, quote, the most consequential work requirements in a generation, which begs the question, what the heck have Republicans been doing for a generation? By the way, I did browse the comments of Kevin's surrender tweet, and out of 50 comments, 100% were negative. That is an astounding level of failure. And 11% of Americans believe in Bigfoot, 38% believe that the dollar is backed by gold or oil. Yes, that is why I make these videos. 4% of Americans believe Elvis is alive. He would be 88 and still rocking. But 0% of Kevin McCarthy's Twitter followers, all Republicans going by the tone, think this was a good deal. In the Washington Uniparty, establishment Democrats and Republicans know their place. Defend the elite, crush the people. They will be toasting this one at the country club while voters wondered why they bothered. Okay, we'll be watching. See you next time.